wanted to do this project about aromatherapy and the essences that specifically help to treat stress because we observe and detect that this is more common nowadays to talk about issues such as stress, anxiety, and various related problems. In addition to this, we consider it relevant since we're living it by ourselves. We believe that helping through something not harmful, such as aromas, was the best solution, in addition to the fact that it is a very accessible solution for everyone. The project will take place in our houses, and our test subjects of the experiment will be done in different types of materials, and all of them tested in the oil we've chosen. This project will have a duration of 10 days to test how much time the oil will take to evaporate. Our research question was, how long does the essence of the oil will last in different textures? We came up with this project because many of us have sometimes been stressed, or in the worst case, we're always stressed, either by doing schoolwork, projects, homework, exams, quizzes, etc. Originally, this project was carried out in order to create a solution for people who are truly stressed, but our project took a turn, and now we're testing our duration of the oil, carrying out different tests to prove how long it will take to evaporate, in which material will have better resistance. Aromatherapy refers to the range of traditional, alternative, or complementary therapies that use essential oils and other aromatic plant compounds, have been used with the aim of improving a person's health or mood. Some of the aromatherapy applications include massage, typical applications, and inhalation. Aromatherapy is a complementary therapy. It does not provide a cure for diseases, rashes, or illness. Some of the benefits can help you to reduce some hurts, discomforts. It also gives us psychological benefits, nausea, pain, body aches, stress, depression, insomnia, headaches, etc. Some essential oils that can help you to reduce stress, depression, and anxiety are lemon, bergamot, geranium, thyme, ginger, lavender. The application can be by inhalation, the most basic method, and more direct, also massage, aromatic baths. Another form of incense can be ingested. Our hypothesis was, if we test the duration of the lemon oil in different materials, then we'll know which one is the best for aromatherapy. Our goal is to see in which material do essential oils works best. The essence that we are going to use is lemon. The reasons why we have chosen lemon have been previously investigated. It fights exhaustion, helps with depression, and gives a feeling of relaxation. Our variables are the independent lemon oil, the dependent piece of gauze or the materials we're going to use with oil and tinting, constant, the lemon oil, the variable 1 is gauze or the materials, and the variable 2 lying in the sun. The process was to mix the lemon oil with the tint, put in a piece of gauze 10 drops and lying in the sun, take the time that takes the oil to disappear, and repeat this by 10 days. During this experiment, we will notice the different changes that the oil has on different materials and some aspects that can alternate the results. For example, lying in the sun. If by chance one day is cloudy or raining, these things will have a repercussion on the oil. The groups were the control group, the paper, and the experimental group, the gauze and the other materials with lemon oil. The experiment decided was that each one of us had a material and we did the tests and registered it as shown. Descriptive and inferential statistics. The ANOVA showed us the variance, the average, the f-value, etc. from among all of the registered days of all the materials. The t-test showed us whether the values for t between the comparison of two materials were the same or not. If they were the same, it was because they complied with the rule, and if not, it was because some materials varied and one was better than the other. For example, according to the results and based on the average, we can see that the opaline did not keep so much the spell of the essence like the other materials. My conclusion. Thanks to all the experiments, data collected, data analysis from ANOVA and t-test, the material that will last less is opaline. since it is the material that retains less the smell of lemon essence. We assume that perhaps it is due to the texture of the material and its consistency. However, there were external factors to us during the experiment that affected our data. There were days when it was more hot, so that affected the duration of the essence on the material. Although, for that reason, we hope that testing the experiment for 10 days will regulate our data despite these changes in weather. On the other hand, the material that will last longest will be cotton, followed by paper, band-aid, and finally gauze. Therefore, I conclude that the material that is not good for the original experiment will be opaline, since this object will not retain the essence long enough. And the material that will be totally recommended for this use will be cotton. It will perfectly retain all the smell of essences. We believe that if this project is developed better in the future, it could help many people. It could improve their quality of life and their problems related or derivated from stress. To improve this project, I will continue with the original experiment. I will try different essences and observe which results in the greatest benefit for people. And to be more specific, I will try depending on the ages, depending on the physical and emotional conditions of people, among many other aspects, to help make this project more specific, concrete, and real.